It is not a good idea to have an unhealthy buildup of toxins in our body. In today's world, detoxification is essential. Even if you eat a healthy diet, you still need to detoxify correctly. Detoxing is a natural way to improve your digestion. Better digestion leads to less inflammation, and less inflammation leads to less disease. Learn how to detoxify safely and naturally with Amare Products in this video today. But hey, if we have not met before, my name is Anna Olson. I am a wellness partner with Amare Global, helping people heal their lives with these all-natural supplements. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. As you may have heard, detoxification begins in the liver. But interestingly enough, your kidneys, your lungs, and even your gut aid in the detoxification process. Detox diets are typically used as a short-term nutritional therapy to eliminate toxins from the body. In a traditional detoxification diet, fasting is followed by a rigorous diet of fruits and vegetables, fruit juices, and water. Herbal teas, vitamins, and colon cleansing or enemas could also be part of the detox process. Okay, here are some things you can do to detox naturally. One way is to consume lemon juice in warm water. This is one of the most effective home detoxification remedies. Kickstart your day with a glass of warm water and lemon that has been freshly squeezed. This remarkable concoction has the capacity to eliminate toxins from the body. You could even mix it with some grated ginger for greater effects. Lemon and ginger help digestion and metabolism by working together. Preparing this drink is a quick and easy process that will only take 2 to 3 minutes of your day. And it is more important that you consume this on an empty stomach to achieve an effective body detox. You can also opt for a glass of water in the absence of lemon. Detoxing should be simple and work in your day easily. Keep listening to discover the magic of drinking a glass of water when detoxing in today's video. Next, I want to talk about getting enough rest. Aside from cleaning your body, it is also necessary to detox your mind. Detoxing your entire body is crucial. Many of us underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Your brain tends to filter out toxins while you sleep. As a result, it ensures that you get adequate sleep at night. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more proven ways to stay healthy, emotionally and mentally. And for exclusive content, join my channel so you will be notified when I post new content. All right, let's talk about drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is essential at all times. The body needs water to produce saliva, aid in perspiration, and to remove waste. Drink at least 8 to 10 8-ounce glasses of water a day, which is about 2 liters per day. Carry a water bottle with you at all times and drink and replenish it whenever you have the chance to do so. Okay, next I want to talk about fasting. The liver filters toxins from your blood, but your other organs, such as the lungs, the kidneys, and your intestines are also involved. If your digestive system is compromised, it will be unable to adequately filter these toxins from your blood. Fasting for a brief amount of time is a common technique to kickstart the detoxification process in the body. This can be accomplished in one of 2 ways. Some people enjoy fasting every day. To do so, they restrict their calorie intake to a set time each day, usually 8 hours. You can also opt for another popular option, which is to severely limit one's calorie intake for 2 to 3 days. In some circumstances, this just means to drink only water, but in others, fruit juices are added to the diet. Not many people love to fast. However, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to detox your body, Amare Global has you covered. Sit back and relax, because now I'm going to share with you how to detox safely with Amare Products. But first, let's talk about working out or exercising on a daily basis. We enhance our mobility when we exercise, which stimulates our body. It clears our lungs and helps food travel through our intestines, as well as opening the sweat glands and purifying the skin through perspiration. Exercising promotes blood and lymph circulation, which is a clear fluid that passes through our bodies and contains white blood cells, allowing organs such as the lymph nodes and the liver to cleanse those body fluids. Exercise even kickstarts the kidneys' activity when you hydrate with water. Drinking enough water prior to, during, and after exercise will help the body's detoxification process by helping the kidneys to filter toxins more efficiently. Plus, you'll also sweat more. The process of cleansing the blood is known as detoxification. This is achieved by the liver, which also processes poisons for elimination, removing contaminants from the blood. Toxins are also expelled through the kidneys, intestines, lungs, lymphatic system, and skin during a bodily detox. When these systems are weakened, impurities are not properly filtered, and the body suffers as a result. So now let's talk about detoxing safely with Amare Global products. Amare Global has a product called Reboot Plus. Reboot is a product made of a synergistic blend of herbs and phytonutrients that promote the body's natural detoxification process, with a goal of rebooting your gut-brain axis in 3 days and laying a clean microbiome foundation. Reboot is formulated with innovative and plant-based ingredients to naturally cleanse and filter your colon, kidneys, and liver. What do you think of detoxing naturally? Please let me know in the comments below. A healthy lifestyle, which includes eating well, drinking lots of water, and exercising, is essential for detoxification because it allows our bodies to perform what they are designed to do. Give us a thumbs up if you're going to start a detoxing process right after watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this information, and remember to share it with anyone you know that is looking to do a detoxification process and they want to do it naturally. So my question for you today is, what are you doing to detox your body to be healthier? So there you have it, another episode of Anna Olson TV. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my weekly video. Oh yes, and one more thing. Join my YouTube channel for even more personalized information.